All right, folks, a second unit for this weekend. This is going to be a 2017 Chevy Tahoe PPV police pursuit vehicle with 123,000 miles. Original black on black from factory. The paint looks great, looks sharp, does have some scratches, and it does have some door dings. Folks, vehicle has been fully serviced, detailed, and she doesn't need any repairs whatsoever. And yes, she is road ready to go anywhere across the states. Vehicle does have a clean and clear title. Let me back up here real quick. Vehicle does have window tint, front of department. That appears to be like a medium shade. It's not too light, not too dark. You can see right through the vehicle. During the day, the windows are nice and clear, so it doesn't bother you whatsoever if you need to look left or right. This is going to be an E85 vehicle, folks. Once again, this is going to be an E85 vehicle. Vehicle does have a working backup camera, working backup sensors. Vehicle does have a tow hitch. Vehicle does have one hole on the roof of the vehicle where the antenna is. Let me zoom in here real quick. There you have it, one antenna. That's about it. That's just there for looks. None up. The antenna is actually solid, so if you need to take your car to an express car wash, that antenna is gonna stay put, folks. What you see is what you're gonna get. Vehicle does have a nice set of tires front of the department. Those are gonna be the 265. What is it? 6017. Vehicle does have some door dings right here, folks. Let me zoom in on the passenger side quarter panel. There you go. You guys can see them right there. All right. Door dings on passenger side quarter panel. The vehicle has been completely detailed. My detail crew did an amazing job bringing her back to life with the paint. Looks great. The vehicle does have new front brakes and rear front brakes. When the vehicle first came in, the brakes measure at about 3 and 4 millimeters. Usually that's too low for me, so I'm gonna go ahead and just drop them, and you got a new set of brakes all around, folks. I do have a nice set of clear lights and lessons in the front. I do have one working spotlight with one new used LED bulb. I replaced the halogen one that came with the car. Folks, let me tell you, the vehicle does have scratches, does have some chips in the front. You guys can see some right there. For the most part, the car looks great, but it does have scratches, some chips, and some door dings. I did have the hood repainted due to clear coat damage, folks. The hood was repainted due to clear coat damage. I couldn't let it go. For those of us that are familiar with GM paint, there are some areas that will go, the clear coat will go and just start looking white. Door ding right there, folks. Some light scratches, of course, that came with the car. They're right there. You may not be able to see them, but they are right there, folks. There you go. You can kind of see it better now. Great tires. So around, let's go inside of the vehicle and show you what we got to work with here. All right, folks, as you guys can see, I do have a nice, perfect interior, matching rear seat. Seat belts and buckles are in place. I do have a nice, perfect vinyl floor on this vehicle. I do have all 4 door panels are in nice, perfect condition. They're not broken, destroyed, or there's no holes anywhere on the panels. The rear doors are fully functional from inside and out of the car, so if you do have customers, they'll be able to exit out on their own. This is going to be a rear-wheel drive only, folks, not a 4x4. Driver's side seat, nice and comfortable. The vehicle does have a center console right there. A little bit of wear and tear on the center console armrest. Passenger side seat appears to be in new condition. The vehicle did come with like 5-7 keys and key fobs, folks. I never seen that many keys on the vehicle. Honk works. Cruise control does work. Once again, the vehicle is gonna come with like 5-7 sets of keys. I only have one here with the vehicle, but the rest are in my file cabinet with the folder for this vehicle. Let's go ahead and fire her up. Let me clean this up here for you guys. Pressure lights are up. Vehicle does have 123,000 miles. Let's go ahead and round it up to 124. Everything does work. New use LED Unity bulb right here, folks. Does work. Pretty bright at night. Dome lights do work. Courtesy lights, whatever you guys want to call it. Red LED, white LED. Super cold air conditioner, folks. Super cold air conditioner on this one. It does have front and rear air conditioner, just so you guys know. Once again, rear wheel drive only. Okay, this is not a 4x4. These switches are dead, so they do not work. Okay, am I forgetting anything? Stereo does work. YouTube, I do not own the rights to the song. Somewhere right here, I do have somewhere right here. Maybe that's where the computer was hitting. All right, folks, what you see is what you guys are gonna get. Let's go to the under the hood and the trunk space of the vehicle here. Oops. Okay, that's for the hood. Sorry, guys. All right, folks, this is gonna be the back of the vehicle. She's complete. She's not destroyed. She's not tore up like some of the Tahoes out there that I've seen. They look scary at times. Everything's there, folks. All right, what you see is what you're gonna get. Tow hitch, the plug right there. This is gonna be a 10,000 pound tow hitch right here, folks. Is that what it is? Am I reading that right? There you go. That's the sticker for the tow hitch. Sorry, trying to show you everything, but it keeps getting blurred. Picture will be on eBay, folks. The vehicle will be listed on eBay. Just so you guys know, the vehicle has been registered. I do have plates, registration card to my name. So no worries. If you need to go through your bank and get a loan, I got you covered. I have what they need. Vehicle also passed California emissions, and I do have the smog certificate for it. Nice and clear lenses in the front, not oxidated, not yellow. There you go. All right, let's see if I can open this up. All right, folks, the engine, I went ahead and went with the natural look on this one. That's what I told my detail to do, my detail crew to do, so it's a natural look. Once again, vehicle has been fully serviced, detailed. She doesn't need any repairs whatsoever. I do have a, starting left to right, I do have a brand new air filter. Throttle body was serviced, cleaned out. I left it in place. Do not disconnect those, otherwise if you do, you're gonna lose the programming. Full synthetic. 530. Oil service was done with Dexos. Transmission, folks. Transmission, just so you guys know, correction. It was 020 on this one with Dexos. It's a 2017, so they take different oil on this one. Transmission was completely rebuilt, folks. When I first got the car, I did know that the vehicle transmission was slipping in third gear, so I still bought it anyway, paid the price for it. And just so you guys know, I did have the transmission fully rebuilt. It cost me $2,900. I do have that receipt. Dry belt tensioner were replaced. Spark plugs were replaced, and I did go with the AC Delco irradiant spark plugs and AC Delco General Motor wires. In the ignition, firing order, everything I went AC Delco. I couldn't do it any other way. Vehicle does have a brand new cabin filter as well. Vehicle does have 2 new batteries that I purchased a few months ago. When I brought the car in, the batteries were dead, so you do have a primary battery over there, AC Delco, secondary battery, auxiliary battery over here. All fluids have been topped off. Suspension is nice and tight, folks. There is no leaks on this bad boy whatsoever. She is in perfect running condition. I did spend a nice decent amount of money refurbishing, reconditioning this vehicle just so that I can bring her perfect to my standards. All right, if I do forget something, please look at my eBay ad. I'm pretty good at listing everything that I do to all my vehicles there, and I'm sure you can catch more of it. There will be pictures, a bunch of pictures. All right, folks, I think this is it for me here. I don't have anything else going on. If you guys have any questions, comments, please do not hesitate to give me a call. Let's talk about it. The vehicle is going to be going for sale tonight. Probably listed on eBay by tomorrow. One last final look here, folks. Quick walk around. Super solid vehicle. She is strong. She is fast. Stiff suspension, sport suspension on this one. That's the beauty of it. Black on black. If you're a security company looking for if you're looking to add a new vehicle to your fleet, here she is, folks. All original. This is not a repaint. She does come with scratches. She does have some door dings, but nothing big or major to worry about. No, and I'm not saying that she's covering scratches, but there are some there. Okay. All right, folks, the clock is ticking. Thanks for watching. You guys have a great weekend out there. This is the Crown Victoria guy, also known as SoCal Police Cruisers, signing off. You guys have a great weekend. God bless and take care.